Your friend reported you on WhatsApp for a laugh. Now you're banned. This is happening to a lot of people right now, and most of them are making it worse by panicking. Here's exactly what to do. When someone hits report on your messages, WhatsApp auto reviews the conversation. If there's anything against their terms, even casual swearing between mates, your account gets banned. It doesn't matter if it was a joke. You'll see a message saying this account can no longer use WhatsApp. Your chats are still saved on your device, but you can't send or receive anything. Don't panic yet. Whatever you do, do not uninstall WhatsApp. And do not change your phone number right now. If you do either of those things, you'll lose all your chats permanently. Leave the app installed. Tap check review status or review a request. Write a formal, polite message explaining the situation. This is critical. You only get one appeal for the app. Don't waste it with something casual like my mate was messing about. Be professional. Send a formal email to support@whatsapp.com with your full number, including country code and clear explanation. Have your friend email them too, admitting they reported you as a joke. The more evidence from both sides, the better the chances. Go to whatsapp.com/contact and submit a support ticket. This goes through a different queue than the in-app appeal. Keep submitting tickets persistently. Be patient. It can take days or even weeks to hear back. If your appeal is rejected, you have to wait 60 days. After that, your number can be registered again and you'll get a fresh appeal. I'll show you the exact template to use in a moment. Here's the catch with the 60-day reset. All your chats are permanently deleted. You're removed from every group and channel. It starts a completely fresh account, but if you have a Google Drive backup enabled, you can restore your chats when you re-register. While you wait, buy a cheap SIM card with a new number, install WhatsApp Business. It's a regular separate app that runs alongside regular WhatsApp. Register your new number there and ask your group admins to add you back. Keep the original WhatsApp installed so your old chats stay safe. Here's a template to copy. Dear WhatsApp team, my account was reported by a friend as a joke. I believe the ban was a misunderstanding. I have always followed your terms of service. I sincerely apologize for any confusion and kindly ask to review my case and consider reactivating my account. My number is, then add your number and thank you. People will message you claiming they can unban your account. They are all scammers. Nobody but WhatsApp can unban you. Don't pay anyone. Don't share your verification codes. Don't click any links. 4 things to do right now. Keep work and personal chats separate. Turn on Google Drive backup immediately. Use WhatsApp Business for professional groups. And tell your friends never hit report as a joke. It's not worth it. That's everything. If this happened to you, drop a comment and let me know if you got your account back.